Hey guys, just waking up. I got a question for you. I had a bunch of crazy dreams last night, and you know what I realized? At one point in time, somebody in my life told me that I was dreaming and what the difference was between dreaming and being awake. Well, who told us that? See, every single day we have an opportunity to live out our dreams. Dream doesn't have to be something that only happens when we're asleep. We have an opportunity to live out our dreams every single day. So my invitation to you is to forget about the dreaming or being awake. Why not live your dream? Hello to all of you out there. My name is Ryan Joseph Kopiar, and I want to invite you to come on this journey with me to learn more about healing and the holistic power of the mind-body connection. I think at the end of the day, we all want to live a happier, more joyful and fulfilled life. And my hope is that together on this journey, we can explore the mind-body connection and what it means to truly experience inner healing. So I want to thank you for joining me, and hopefully this will be an exciting journey that we can all take together.